Hello fams, you welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. God bless you for tuning in into this video. If you are new in this place, God bless you. Oh, to my old subscribers, God bless you for always supporting me in this channel. Yeah, I will not take it for granted. Thank you so much. So in this video, as you can see at the title, I want to make this ogbono soup. Yeah, if you want to know how I came about this soup, please don't click out. Okay, just stay tuned to watch. Okay, God bless you. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of your time. So here I have all the ingredients for this soup. This is dawa native Maggi. I've not blended it. This is red oil. I might not use all of them. Here I have frozen spinach, scotch bonnet pepper, and the onion. And here I have ogbono. It says To Cook Ogbono. I've not blended it. I'm going to blend all these things off camera. This the crayfish. And here I have mushroom, frozen mushroom. Here I have the proteins here. I don't want this video to be too long, so I've already started prepping a lot of things off camera. So here I have more stockfish and the beef. I've already seasoned it with vegetable stock, pepper, and the onion. Let's dive into making the soup. And I've already heated this pot, and that is why you see the oil melt immediately it gets to the pot, because I don't want to overheat the oil. Okay, so this is the blended ogbono. I blended this ogbono with the crayfish, part of the crayfish, and also the dawa native Maggi. So I'll try to melt them. So after that, I love adding onions while I'm making this style. I have many ways of making this ogbono soup. This is one of the ways. This is optional if you love onions like I do, because I've used onions to season the meat. So this is another onions I'm adding in this soup. Here we have the stock I got from the meat, although I added a little water. Yeah, if you know the quantity of the ogbono you're making and you know the type of ogbono you're using, yeah, that will give you the idea on the quantity of water you will add. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it to boil for us to see the consistency, you understand? So this is after 5 minutes. It has been boiling, and here we have this ogbono. This is what I want. This is the consistency I want in the ogbono. I don't always want it thick or watery. No, like this is okay. By the time I will add other ingredients, the soup will be balanced. Okay, so I added pepper. I love my soup, ogbono soup, to be spicy. I've already used pepper in seasoning the meat, and I'm adding this one again. And here I added the mushroom. Now I'm adding the beef, the stuffed fish, and the more. Ogbono soup is very easy to handle. Very easy to handle. In fact, as you're growing up as a girl, the first soup you will learn how to cook immediately is ogbono soup, because it's very easy to handle, put together. Yeah, once you get your beef done or your protein done, the soup is done. So I finished adding all the proteins, the meat, the chicken. Yeah, I added chicken also. The chicken is there. The beef, the pomo, and the stockfish. So I will cover to allow it to boil, to cook. So it has been boiling, but there is something I didn't show you. This fish was in the oven while I was showing you the other ingredients. So I grilled this fish because I don't like eating fresh fish in my soup. Yeah, I love making it dry. Yeah, either by smoking it or by grilling it. So this is it. Farms, this soup is taking shape. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm saying. As I'm editing this video, I just want to eat this food again. But farms, you know the condition of content creators. So this is the remaining crayfish. Yeah. Since I don't add too much stock cube while cooking, crayfish is a source of, seasoning that is good for soup, crayfish. So this is it. It makes the soup taste good more than Maggi and other things. Try it. So I've tested it and I see that I needed salt, so I added a little bit of salt. Be careful while cooking ogbono soup because it doesn't like salt. Doesn't like too much salt. So try to put everything, then you test the soup to see if you needed salt. So this is the thing we have been waiting for. This is the spinach. I've defrosted it and remove water from it. Try to remove water after defrosting so that the water will not change the taste of the soup. So this is the spinach. You can use bitter leaf, you can use pumpkin leaves, you can use spinach. You can even use otazis, anyone you get your hands on, or the ones you love using, okay? For me, I can use any one of them, okay? So here we have the soup. The soup is already in shape. If you're watching up to this period, God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and also try to share my video if you can, okay? Share it on your WhatsApp, share it on Instagram, share it everywhere. Let them know this woman Afro Italian TV, okay? By this time around, you can see that this soup is ready to be consumed and to be devoured. Like Faith Vibes, you always say that this food is ready to be devoured. Okay, I'm ready to eat this food. Thank you so much. Bye.